Hello everyone. So now I'm going to say how to create a name tag generator using C program. So first, the program creates a name tag by converting a user's name into uppercase letters. First, it declares a character array name up to 100 to store the user's input. It then takes a single word, for example name, from the user using scanf. After reading the name, the program uses a for loop to go through each character one by one. The loop continues until it reaches the null character, that is 0, which marks the end of the string. For each character, it calls the toUpper function, which converts lowercase letters to uppercase. Once all characters are converted, the program prints the final name using welcome name. For example, if the name is Gifta, then it gives welcome Gifta. In simple word, you enter name, the program changes it to uppercase, then displays it as a welcome message. Thank you.